What's going on? It's Ed here from Geek, and this video is for my detailers. So if you're a mobile detailer and you're looking to create some velocity in your business, check this video out. So over the last 30 days, this particular client has generated 477 leads in this campaign, which is mind-boggling. What the heck would your business look like with an additional 477 leads coming in? I'd imagine you'd have some velocity and you'd be growing pretty quickly. That's nuts. So this client's doing really well. He's spending $90 a day. His average click cost is, actually I don't even have it listed here, so let's go into here. We're going to go to modify columns. We're going to go into, let's go with performance and look for click cost, average CPC. So average click cost is $1.73 per click. Click-through rate, which means the percentage of people that see the ad and then actually click on it, is 8.5%, which is very high. Anything above 2% is considered good. Conversion rate is insanely high at 31.5%. Anything above 5% people consider good, but ideally you want to be 20% or above. This guy's getting $5.50 leads, and he's getting so many of them on a monthly basis. 477, that's nuts. So yeah, what I'm going to do is drop a link below this video to an application page. Just fill it out with some information about your business. Give me a little context. We'll set up a time to chat and we'll see if there's a good fit and how we might be able to set something like this up in your business. If it seems like there might be a fit, it'll take us 2 to 4 business days to get you live. And I'll go over what the pricing looks like and how we'd roll all this out for you. But just sit back for a second and actually think about what 477 leads coming into your business would feel like, what that type of velocity of phone calls would feel like. And the nice thing here is you don't need 477 if you're a solo operator or 1 or 2 vehicles. You know, you can start with a smaller budget. You could start with $25 a day, $30 a day, $50 a day, and create a groundswell of velocity and leads and revenue in your business, and just stair step up and increase budget, increase lead volume as you go. You don't need this day one in most instances. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll drop a link to the application page below this video. If you need anything, just hit us up. My name's Ed. I'm one of the founders here at Geek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local business. And a niche that we crush is the mobile detailing space. So if you're a detailer and need some help, hit us up. Talk to you later. Have a great day.